Hello friends, welcome to a YouTube channel where we discuss everything about radiation oncology. So today we are going to talk about a very common and a very innocent question that I get, that ma'am, radiation oncology has a subject of radiation physics, but I am very weak in physics, so should I opt for this branch? So hello, I am Dr. Purnima Kale. I've done my MD and DNB in radiation oncology. So today I'm going to discuss about what is radiation physics and should you be scared if you are not good in physics. So let me tell you, I personally was really bad in physics in my 12th standard, and I was really scared even during my NEET UG for my physics paper. So I thought that I once I've entered into MBBS, I've lost all my contact with physics and maths, and it will not come back to me. But it did, and it did for a lifetime. So when you come into this branch of radiation oncology, radiation physics is a very critical part of it, because radiation physics will determine what dose you will give, what treatment will you plan, and your execution will also depend upon the physics that there is. But let me tell you, this is not the same as you studied in your 12th standard. This is not very difficult. This is specifically related to what radiation you are dealing with, and it is limited. So there is nothing to worry about, even if you're bad in physics, even if you had a very bad relationship with the subject, but it will not hamper your further progress. But you have to keep an open mind, you have to be ready to study and learn more, and there is nothing to worry about in physics. Even you have a subject of radiobiology, which is different from what biology we have already studied, but this radiation physics and radiation biology makes the base. It is the base or the basic of what radiation oncology is built upon, and it can be very very easily studied, understood, learned. Yes, you have a paper on radiation physics and radiation biology in your MD as well as DNB, but it is not very difficult. That is what I want to convey, and you can definitely do it if you stick your mind to it. But if you really have any doubt, or if you have any queries, put it in the comment section below and we'll be very happy to help. So there is nothing to get scared about. You can definitely opt for this career option. So all the very best, and thank you so much for watching.